Text to video AI just leveled up. Tools like Veo, Kling 2.0, Hailu, and Pixverse are pumping out cinematic clips. Let's go to Pixverse. Cinematic clips from nothing but prompts. But which one's actually worth your time? Let's break it down. So let's begin with Veo. Veo is the new beast from Google. It's trained on huge data sets and outputs 1080p, 16:9 cinematic shots. What makes Veo stand out? Realistic motion, sharp subject tracking, and scene consistency. You can add camera movements, emotion, or even adjust video style, all from a prompt. But it's invite only for now, so unless you're on their waitlist, it's still out of reach. Kling AI 2.0 by Kaishu is China's answer to Sora, and it's fast. Kling 2.0 can generate 1080p clips up to 2 minutes long, with high frame rates and physically accurate motion. Think cloth dynamics, shadows, even reflections, and unlike Sora or Veo, Kling 2.0 is actually usable now if you've got a Chinese phone number. Drawback is that the UI is clunky. Prompt handling still needs polish, but for action scenes and serial visuals, it's a powerhouse. Hailu AI is the dark horse. It leans more into animated and stylized content than realism. It's great for dreamy sequences, anime vibes, or just short-form creative storytelling. Plus, it's lightweight and faster than most. Ooh, look at Harry Potter. But the resolution detail aren't quite on par with Veo or Kling. It's more experimental projects or aesthetic pieces. Pixverse, which is the last one that we're comparing today, it's currently the most accessible, as I previously mentioned. It supports web prompts, Discord generation, and is growing fast. The output, somewhere between mid-tier realism and stylized animation. It's perfect for quick concept videos, music visuals, or TikTok-style content. That being said, the motion can still be jittery and longer clips sometimes fall apart, but it is improving fast. And you can start using it today, like right now, literally. So here's the breakdown. Veo is the cleanest, but it's gated. Kling is the most powerful, but that's semi-accessible. Hailu is for dreamy, stylized work, and Pixverse is for everyday creators' playground. Which one wins, depending on your goal? Want realism, Kling or Veo? Want creativity, Hailu or Pixverse? I'm testing these tools hands-on, so if you want a deeper dive or live prompts, results, drop a comment, let me know which one you're betting on. AI filmmaking is about to explode. I'll see you in the next one.